Okay, hello everyone, guys. Good morning. How are you all? Good morning, everyone. My name is Afreen Azmat, and I welcome you all to today's session. Hi, guys. Good morning, everyone. Just please comment once about the audio and video of the classes. Everything is working good. Everything is working fine. Hi guys, good morning. Audio, video, everything is clear, working good, working fine. Okay, guys. So today we are going to discuss Unit 50, that is the last unit for Module C. PPB Module C, the technology trends in the banking. E-rupee, fintech, regtech, supertech, hashtag banking, etc. So we are going to discuss about these in today's session, right? So let's start discussing this. First of all, we are talking about the e-rupee. First of all, e-rupee is what? So e-rupee is actually launched on 2nd of August 2021 by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. So NPCI, they are actually managing this e-rupee, okay, which was launched on 2nd October 2021. E-rupee is actually an innovative digital solution, and it is a seamless one-time payment mechanism. When we are talking about e-rupee, e-rupee is a QR code or SMS string based e-voucher that is delivered to beneficiaries mobile. So as a beneficiary, you don't necessary to have a net or Wi-Fi or any application to use this e-rupee QR code, because this code is actually scanned by the merchant, right? So e-rupee is like a QR code or SMS string based e-voucher which is actually delivered to beneficiaries mobile, right? When we are talking about the users of e-voucher, they can redeem the voucher at the merchants who are actually accepting the e-voucher without the digital payment app, card, or internet banking. So if we talk about the users of e-voucher, they can redeem the voucher at the merchant accepting e-rupee without using any digital payment app, card, or internet banking. When we are talking about e-rupee, e-rupee should be shared by organization or government to their beneficiaries for the specific purpose or activity, and it is shared through SMS or QR code. For example, I am working in a Oliveboard, right? Now this company wants to send some gift voucher to the employees. For example, they have sent some e-based or e-voucher on my mobile number. I am the beneficiary. I have received that e-rupee, right? Now I can just go to any, for example, wellness center and just redeem that e-voucher and obtain the services. Then the issuer's bank, okay, is directly crediting the money to the voucher or to the merchant's bank account, right? So I don't have to use anything. Don't have to do anything. It is only a e-voucher which I have to present, and then I can avail the services against the value which is based on this e-rupee. E-rupee is a contactless, easy, safe, secure, okay, where all the details of the beneficiaries are kept confident or confidential, right? Who are there in the e-rupee ecosystem. So e-rupee can be issued in two core categories. When we are talking about e-rupee, they can be issued in two category: person to person category and business to consumer category. So if we talk about the e-rupee system, they can be issued in two category. They can be issued in P2P, they can be issued in business to consumer, right, everyone? So now what are or who are involved in E2P transaction? Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So when we are talking about who are the major stakeholders in e-rupee, who are present in the e-rupee involvement. So first of all, there is a issuer bank who are present. Okay. So issuer bank, they actually initiate the request to create the e-rupee. Okay. So there is a issuer bank. Issuer bank is the bank which actually received the request of issuing e-rupee. There is a sponsor. The sponsor can be any corporate or union government or state government. Like for example, in my example, Oliveboard is the sponsor. Then there is a beneficiary who is entitled to sorry, receive the free services against this e-rupee, right? There is a designated merchant to whom this e-rupee is scanned or accepted, and there is an acquiring bank. Acquiring bank means who has given that designated merchant the things to accept the e-rupee, right? So issuer bank is there, then there is an sponsor, then there is beneficiary, then there is a designated merchant, and then there is an acquired bank. That is known as e-rupee. If we talk about e-rupee, e-rupee can be issued only by banks through authorized and which are authorized by Reserve Bank of India. So e-rupee is not issued by everyone. E-rupees are issued by only those who are authorized by Reserve Bank of India to issue prepaid payment instrument and who are eligible to participate in the payment service provider in the UPI ecosystem, right? If we talk about e-rupee, e-rupee shall be authorized for redemption only to purchase goods and services from a designated merchant. When we are talking about e-rupee, e-rupee cannot used for cash out or cash back on redemption. It is actually stored up to rupees 10,000 per voucher. No charges are payable by the beneficiaries. Plus, it is distributed only in a digital format. Okay. Now, what is the difference between e-rupee and UPI? So, obviously, there is a difference between e-rupee and UPI. When we are talking about the e-rupee, e-rupee is what it e-rupee is one time cashless contactless payment mechanism, whereas UPI is actually a application for receiving a payment of the money. E-rupee is an e-voucher. UPI is actually an application. Reserve Bank of India operates e-rupee, NPCI operates UPI. When we are talking about e-rupee voucher, it can be redeemed at service provider counter, whereas UPI is received or used for receiving and payment of the money, right? So this is the e-rupee and UPI. Now, there can be a hashtag banking. So hashtag bankings nowadays are used to increase the reach in the social medias, right? So there are certain bank words that has been used, and to increase the reach of that word, hashtag is used. For example, hashtag banking services, hashtag credit card services, hashtag fast tag services, hashtag loan services, hashtag FD services, hashtag block unblock cards. So these are different hashtags which are used in the banking to increase what? To increase the scope or to reach the scope or to just increase the customers' accountability in the particular post, which is done by the bank on social media sites and Twitters to actually engage people in the banking environment, right? Last is account aggregator. Account aggregator is actually a RBI regulated entity that individually secured and digital access and share information from one financial institution to another financial institution, but within that account aggregated network. So within that account aggregated network, okay, there is the uh, it's sharing of the information which is done, okay, from one financial institution and other financial institution, but that should be within the AA network. Then this is known as account aggregator, and it is regulated by whom? It is regulated by Reserve Bank of India. Now here the data cannot be sent without the consent of the individual. Individual consent is very necessary, right? So this is the account aggregator. I have just given you the details, the short overview of the chapter, right? So now the chapter is very lengthy. You have to learn a lot of things in this chapter. So if you want to learn this chapter in complete detail, you can just enroll yourself in the JIP Super Elite All-in-One subscription, in which you will get the access of all the live class, mock tests, notes, and everything under one roof. These are all the ongoing batches which are going on the Super Elite All-in-One subscription. Okay, so we have master batches, we have JIB batches, RPWM batches, AFM batches. These are the different type of batches which are going on the Oliveboard app. So if you are using this code, that is our day on the occasion of Republic Day, if you are using this code our day, you will get a flat 52% off on the JIB CIB Super Elite All-in-One subscription. So kindly enroll yourself, and thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you have understood what I have taught you, just please like and share the video to the maximum you can. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, it's a request, guys, that please subscribe this channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you so much, guys. Take care, everyone. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. Take care, guys. Bye, guys. Take care.